My name is Dr. Ben Wyman. I'm a recent graduate from Western University of Health Sciences in Pomona, California, so not too far away from us down in San Diego, here at Center Vet. When I was looking for a hospital, I was looking for somewhere that practices modern medicine, is able to work up advanced cases, and has a really good collaborative and supportive environment, somewhere where I felt like I could grow as a doctor and also see a wide variety of cases. During my interview process, I felt like the whole hospital staff was included in that. I was able to meet lots of different people and kind of understand how the flow here is so seamless because they have so many years of experience serving the San Diego community. The wealth of experience was pretty evident to me during my interview. The mentorship program was really structured. Starting a new clinic can be pretty overwhelming in terms of not only are you finding out where things are, but also you're seeing so many different pets. So having the structured program of what's expected of you and having the support staff that will be able to make sure that you're able to achieve what you're looking to practice. I think something that surprised me is how many little moments there are through the day where even though you might be caught up between a multitude of different types of cases, that there's just a lot of little moments in the day that kind of make it brighter. Whether that be seeing a recheck appointment where the dog that might have been limping is now feeling better and walking normally, or just interacting with the different types of clients that we have here. I think that's been really eye-opening for me, and that's kind of something that's been pretty surprising and also awesome. I expected this year to kind of be pretty hard just because, when you are starting, there's a lot of little things that you might not think, that are part of the learning process. But I think that it hasn't been as bad as I initially thought, but I think a lot of that is because of having the support of Center Vet behind you to help you ease your transition into the workplace and workflow. I think that it's been a little bit honestly better than I had anticipated going forward. I would say the mentorship program here is monumental in terms of support for me as a new grad. Just having the actual structure of weekly check-ins, exactly what to talk about in each week meeting, and understanding how each week builds upon the one before it has been monumental. I feel like my team here has supported me as a new grad. They understand that I might need extra time in appointment rooms, or making sure that I have everything in the room depending on what type of appointment it is, just making sure that I'm set up for success depending on what my day looks like. Whether that be at our morning meeting, checking in with me and seeing is there anything in particular I think I need for today's appointments, or even making sure that we have a game plan if we're thinking that there might be a special consideration with the patient that we're about to see. So I think just having the kind of good communication between everyone involved with the day's planning has been really big in terms of our team here. I think just starting out at vet school is pretty intimidating, especially because there's so many options you can do with a veterinary degree. Whether that be, start out kind of here at Center Vet with a mentorship or go to an internship. But I think that the most important advice I would be able to give you is just to be open with whatever situation you choose to be in, and just be fully committed to it and embrace the learning process, because not every day is super easy, and also that's okay. I've always kind of really loved problem solving with compassion and how that fits into the veterinary role in terms of how animals are so important in terms of our mental health. I grew up in southern Maine, and my family had a lot of poultry. We had ducks, chickens, turkeys, and so I grew up with a lot of different types of animals, maybe not so traditional with the dog and cat as well, but they were super important in terms of my mental health, and I just recognized that that's super important for people. So being able to provide that and keeping everyone's pets healthy while also initiating the problem solving side of my brain and helping people, kind of all that kind of fitting together to one picture. And that's kind of why I love this profession and why I want to get involved with it.